G'day guys, welcome back. Some of you asked for more fortune hearts. Emperor's Choice. There we go. We'll start on this one today. See how we go. 10-cent denom, 250 bets.
Bet 10 lines.
You reckon?
Yeah. 10 lines.
10 lines.
Yeah.
Under instructions here. Hang on 2 seconds. That's a bit better. $24 mini. $40 major, $200 maxi. Fight you pair. We need a fight.
Fight.
I don't know if I've had free spins on this or not. I can't remember. Sorry. Come on. This time. No. Yay, $1. It's not much happening, is there? Money back.
Fortune Hearts.
All right, here we go. We need to land. Let me just show you. Oh, there they are. We want one of those pretty quickly.
Fortune Hearts.
Let me just turn that down. Very loud. Oh, $40. $40 major every time. There we go.
Fortune Hearts.
Oh, times
Fortune
2.
Hearts.
Hang on, sorry. I'm just readjusting so I can do that. Now we need to fill up those empty spaces to reset it.
Fortune Hearts.
And this is our last spin, so we need one of those 6. Be nice. Yeah, that's one.
Fortune Hearts.
Beautiful, that's another.
Fortune Hearts. Fortune Hearts.
Beautiful. Oh no, we've still got 2 spins left.
Fortune Hearts.
Now, this is our last spin. We need one of those 3 to keep it going. We've got a lot of money up there. No.
Fortune Hearts.
game over, but still a $300 or $400 bonus. $408 on a $2 bet. You little beauty. You little ripper. That's what we like. All right. Why change the bet? Not yet. Fight. We'll go down to 400 and run with that. That's 300 profit.
I can play with that.
One never knows what might happen between now and $400. We could become millionaires. Hey, you rotten thing. No, you're not. You're a good machine. You're a nice machine. I think we're done, which is fine. No free spins, but a $400 bonus. We're not complaining about that.
Really wants to know if we're doing lunch.
One more. One more.
Okay.
No. All right. Let's collect that, and I'll be back with something else in a minute. All right. We left Fortune Hearts, and we've come to Eyes of Fortune. How fortunate. Let's go 10 cents.
Okay.
Hey, look at that. Someone didn't flush the toilet. $2 bets. See how we go. Oh, did I show that? I don't think I did. Dong.
Dong. Just the one dong.
Yeah, we want to hear dong, dong, dong. One more, one more. Mix.
Dipsy.
Come on, Tiger. Come on, Tiger. One more. Yeah. Oh. Uh-oh. old 4 trigger bonus. Bugger. It's not looking good. $4.70. Back over the 100. Alright. Let's try 5 cents. Dreaded 4 trigger bonus. Oh, 2 cents. Look, there's one on top there and there's one on top there. Come on, Tiger. Last one. Alright, we'll collect that. We'll go and play one more machine. Alright, last machine. Chai Lin wins. Volume up. We're starting on 10 cents. That's our jackpots. The grand is at 16k. $1.50.
She's on the way.
Still no word on the new Dragon trains yet. I thought they would have been here by now. Yeah, oh, it's a lot. A lot of small ones. Oh. Uh-oh. 16,266. Dun 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 dun. Oh. That puts us in Profitsville for a brief moment. $17. It's been so long since I've caught the train.
It's like, take 100 and run.
No,
No.
will we get off 10 cents? $3. Come on. Oh. We're not getting anything here. $1.80. Shall we swap again? Let's go 1 cent. 5 aces. One more. No. Come on. Oh. Where's the train?
I've seen the go.
Horrible machine. Horrible machine you are. Last spin bonus. No. Alright, thank you for watching. Fortune Hearts, Eyes of Fortune, Chai Lin wins. $100 profit. Not too bad. It was a beautiful bonus first up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share it around, and I'll see you tomorrow with another one.